Hi guys, Jason West here. Today I want to show you how you can build a simple opt-in page that collects leads for your business. So whether that's you're a coach or a consultant or you're collecting leads, for any kind of service that you're offering, this is how you can do it. And the software that I recommend, that I personally use to build my landing pages, and in fact entire websites sometimes too, is Kartra. And I'll put a link for you to sign up for a free trial under this video or to the side, depending on where this video is being shown. And you can just go ahead and try it out. But I'm going to show you how to do it in Kartra because I believe it's the best all-in-one marketing platform for almost every online business or any business that wants to collect leads and have videos and memberships and all that kind of stuff. So as you can see in the background there's a load of pages that I've already created, and I'm going to just create a brand new one. So in Kartra, all you need to do is you just go to where it says My Pages, and then you click the plus symbol for Create New Page. What you're going to have the choice of at this point is to create a certain type of page that they've already made for you, really. So you've got squeeze pages, which is the one that we're going to use in a minute. You've got video sales pages, thank you pages, long sales letter pages, all these different kinds of ready to go templates that have been done for you. And even webinar registration pages there, look, really nice designs that you can just jump in and edit. So we're going to create a squeeze page this time. So what you would do is you would go through here and you would choose the most suitable kind of page layout to give you the basis of what you're going to do. And it depends on what you're offering. So for example, if you're going to be offering perhaps an ebook as a free download, a way to grab leads, then you might want one that already has like a picture of a book in it or something that you can just edit. And if we just scroll down through here, let me just take, for example, this one here. Okay, so we'll just select this particular one. If you want to preview any of these different layouts and see what they look like before you commit to using it, you can see this one here. Really nice, simple layout. You just click preview. You've got a video there. You could also have an image as well. And you can delete any aspect of the page that you don't want. So let's just go in and quickly play about with that particular one. So what do? You click on select, and then you go up to here and you click launch builder. Then you'll name the page. So let's just put my free ebook. And then you can select a category for your pages. So if you've got loads of pages and lots of different businesses in Kartra, you can just select to put them in a certain one. So I'm going to put a new category actually, and I'm going to put it in Kartra demos, and then I'm going to click add, and now I can add this particular page that I'm creating to that category. So you can see how you can keep really nice and organized with this. So we've clicked created, so now it's going to launch the page builder, which is going to make it very easy for you. If you're not a web developer and a tech guru, you can still use this software to make a half decent looking page, dead easy. So here you can change your title, and all you need to do is you just hover over the element that you want to mess around with, or components as they call it in Kartra, and just see here, you can see the text little icon there. Just click on text and now you can start editing this text. So download my super duper free ebook, and then or your report or whatever it is you want to do, and then just click anywhere else on the page, and then that's it, done. And then you can customize all these as well, the same method, by just clicking on the T there, and then you can just adjust the wording, and then the same underneath, you can adjust the wording. And then here you can upload a video directly to Kartra. It's quite good to do a video just to sort of introduce what it is to the person that they're going to download and what they need to do to get it. So very, very simple. Hi, my name is so-and-so, and please fill out your name and email below if you want to get this awesome free ebook that's going to teach you to do this, 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 and this, or tell you about our amazing service that's going to help you achieve this, this, and this, whatever you want to do. So you can upload videos actually within Kartra. Very, very clever. I'll show that in another video. But if you don't want to use a video, that's fine. You can just get rid of it like this. And then you can go to here where it says components, and then just choose for example, an image. And then just drag that in, and where you see these lines is where you can drop the image. So you can see I'm going to drop it right there where the video was, and then now I can edit that image to be something else. So here you can see it says image selected. I'm just going to choose this image just for an example there. I can upload a brand new one though if I want to, then click apply. Nothing really happens until you press apply. And there you can see you've just got that nice image just appeared there like that. Real simple. And then underneath you've got the actual part where people enter their name and email address. So what you're going to need to do is to create a form that has the elements, the content, the data that you actually want to get from the person filling it out. So I'm going to actually configure a brand new form just to show you how simple this is. So you just click on this little pen symbol here. So this is going to edit the form. And then if you've already created a form, you can just use that, or you can create a brand new form. And I'm going to create a brand new one just to show you how simple it is. So you click on create a new opt-in form. And then we're going to call this demo opt-in. I'm going to click create. And then I am going to click apply. There we are. So we've now got a really nice little form. And that's all ready to go. You can choose the fields here and how they look and whether you want icons and things. So if you don't want those little symbols there on the left, you can just click apply and it will get rid of those, or you can switch them back on. You can change the background color. You can do all kinds of different things. But we like to just keep it really, really simple here. And you can even choose the color of the button. I mean, this is how flexible the system is. As you can see, if you want it green or whatever, that's fine. Just make it green and click apply. And that will take effect. Very, very simple to do. So then we can also adjust this if you want to adjust the title. So, you know, fill out the form below. Bam, 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 done. And that's the sort of page building side of things. If you don't want to use any of this stuff, if you don't have anything more you need to add in here, it's good to have reviews, mind you. Even if it's just a few comments about the actual thing they're going to download that says, oh, I read your free report and it was fantastic, you know, Dave, whatever. Get some quick reviews from people who've downloaded it. Just say, drop them an email and say, what did you think about that? And then get them on there. That's perfect. But if you want to get rid of any particular section in this system, you just click on the cog and you can just click on delete. It's that simple. Or if you want to, you can rearrange it by grabbing the actual whole thing here, just moving it around. So if you want it below the reviews, you can do that. You can drag it about, and you can drag this one up if you want to as well. There you go. It's just moved things around a little bit there. Hang on. Just grab that one there, move it up. There you go. And then you can drop it in there like that. So it's really, really simple to use this page builder. And as I said, you can just delete an entire section if you want to. Great thing is if you make a mistake and you're like, oh my God, I shouldn't have deleted that. No problem. Just press undo. It's that simple. So once you've created the page exactly the way that you want it, and you've got your form with all the different fields in that you want, you can now publish the actual page. So let's just say I want to click here, publish live. I've also got the option to just save what I'm doing so far without making it live. And then I've got the option, if I really like this particular page, once I've mastered it and I've got it looking perfect, and I'm liable to use it again, perhaps for a different report, a different ebook, you can save it as a template. So it's ready and waiting. All you have to do is change the image, change a bit of the text again, and you've got that nice perfect layout ready to go. But I'm going to click publish live right now. And as you can see, it's publishing the page. And then you just click here where it says get the page link. And there's the link to the page. Now that's not a particularly attractive looking link there, you know, it's like CRV98 or something, not particularly memorable. It may not matter to you. If you're just going to dump this straight into an advert or send it out in an email, then it really may not matter at all. But if you want to, you can edit that particular URL of your new fancy page. So you can either adjust the one that's already there, you know, by saying free ebook or something like that. and this will stay the same. Or if you want to, with this particular software, Kartra, you can put in your own domain name. So your own custom domain, like, mywebsite.com, whatever it is, or also a subdomain. So something like go dot then your domain name.com. You can use that as well. You can see I've done that here. So I've got jasonwest.com in here. So if I wanted to, I could put this on jasonwest.com, free ebook, dead easy. And let's just do that actually to show you. And I'll just click save URL, and that's it. That is now the URL to this fancy new page that I've made. And let's just go there right now to show you what it looks like. And there it is. So yeah, you got Google Translate coming up there because there's obviously lots of Latin and things used, but that's how quickly and easy it is to make a half decent looking landing page. If you're an entrepreneur, or like I say, you're just trying to grab leads, then you probably won't have a more simple and easy way to do it than using Kartra and doing it like this. And then of course you've got the option at the end to set up what email they get when they filled that out. That's no problem as well. You can just go to your forms. So if I just go to, if I just come out of here a moment, so I'm just going to return to my dashboard and then go straight to my forms. And you can see there's our form that we created. We haven't actually finished the job yet, so I'll go ahead and do that for you. We just created the basics when we did that. So you get to choose your form fields here. So you can, actually ask a lot more things if you want. You can put new field here. You can even select a custom field. So say you wanted to ask them a specific question, like what's your biggest struggle in business? You can do that. And then they can just type that in and it will come through to you. So you can choose from these set predefined fields like their country or their website or whatever. You can make it required, so they have to put it in, yes or no. Let's just do that. And then just click confirm. And then moving on to the confirmation, you can choose to have them do a single opt-in, which means they fill out the name and email, that's it, they're on the mailing list, or they don't actually appear in your mailing list until they've selected what's called a double opt-in, which means they get an email and then they have to click on a confirmation. You've probably done it yourself at some point with some companies. And that's just a good way to make sure their email address is correct and that the person's really committed to being on that email list. And then the confirmation link, you can choose to either send it by SMS, which is pretty cool. That also could verify their phone number's correct as well then. Or you can send them an email. And you can choose who it's from and everything. So very, very flexible system here, as you can see. You get to choose, write your own confirmation email that goes to them when they've joined your list. If you want to, again, you can use like a real basic type email, you just type like this. Or if you want to get fancy, just switch to advanced, and then you can choose from all these templates that Kartra provides. You can see there's tons of them, Really nice layouts again, so if you're not a web designer, it doesn't matter because you can just use one of these and adjust text. Everyone can adjust text, can't they? And then if you also want to, down here, you can build your own email. So let's just drag that across there like that. Really, really easy. Again, it's very similar to the page builders. So if you want to change this image, you just click this edit here and you can put a nice new image of your ebook or whatever it is. So as you can see, very, very simple to go and set up emails and confirmations and everything. So let me just see here if I can click configure later and configure this later, then it allows me to move on. And then this is the welcome message that they get once they have confirmed their email address, if you want to do that. Then you get some other fancy things called automations, and you can assign tags to the person who's actually signed up. You can put them into a specific email list as well. Free ebook downloaders list. You can do that if you want to. And then you get to choose the form design itself. So you can choose where it will go. You can put the form on your own website if you want to, but obviously we've just made a standard opt-in page. And so we would just leave it as that, where it's in a Kartra page. And then you just click confirm, and then you can finish that. So it's all very, very simple, and you can even see analytics as to how many people have viewed your form and filled it in as well. So that really does allow you to see, what's going on with your opt-in. So hopefully that's really helped. So just a quick rundown then what we've learned in this video. So we've learned how to create a simple opt-in page, whether that's like a lead magnet or for people just to, download some free report, whatever it is, or even just to contact your company. Then we've learned how to do that with Kartra by creating a page. We've learned how to create a form for them to just fill out. We've learned how to choose the fields that are in that form, and then how to get them to confirm their email address if you want to go down that route. And then in the email as well, one thing I didn't say is that you have the option, of course, to then deliver that download. So you can host the PDF or whatever it is you're giving them as a free download within Kartra, and then just deliver that free download all within Kartra. So you can see it's kind of an all-in-one really good system. I don't know if the likes of lead pages and unbounce and things allows you to do the hosting side of stuff as well, hosting files and things. So it's definitely my preferred system. So you can now, go ahead, and if you want to use this particular system, start the trial. I think it's like $1 or something for 60 days. Really good value, so you can get a play around with it. And also I'm going to be doing lots more training on using this particular system of Kartra. So if you find it useful to have someone helping you along, then it might make sense to go with this system anyway. And if you use my affiliate link, I'll be very grateful. So that's it then, guys, until the next video, and I hope that's helped grow your business.